rain, but this time, unlike most, we're not talking about flooding.
It's good. It's a nice, steady, it's such a nice day out there.
Yeah, and the showers are moving along pretty quickly, so flooding not a huge concern for this afternoon. And here's a look at some of the rainfall totals from around New Mexico. This is radar estimated rainfall. So where you're seeing the light blue, that's about 1/10 of an inch or more. Some areas in southwest Albuquerque picking up closer to 1/4 of an inch, where you're seeing the darker blue. And then farther to the south near Socorro, we had some heavy rain showers earlier, getting close to 4/10 in some locations, more than 1/2 inch in southeast Socorro County. And then continuing farther to the south and to the east of TRC, areas getting more than 2/10 of an inch. And we continue with the rain showers even at this hour. Most of the action, though, shifting farther to the north in central New Mexico around the northern mountains. Some pockets of moderate rain still at this hour, and we're getting ready for another band to move in here to the metro over the next half hour or so. So we're not quite done yet with the rain, but notice what's going on the satellite and radar here. To the east and far eastern New Mexico, sitting under a lot of sunshine. Along the central mountain chain and to the west, we're just socked in with the clouds and the rain. And look at what that's doing to our temperatures right now. 92 degrees in Tucumcari, but we're sitting at a cool 63 right now. 89 in Roswell, 90 degrees in Carlsbad, but it's only 73 right now in Alamogordo. So temperatures about 10 to 25 degrees cooler this afternoon in central New Mexico and around the northern mountains, where we have the rain and the clouds falling right now. So as we head into the afternoon hours, we'll see our chance for showers and storms coming to an end eventually, because this area of low pressure that's producing the storms will eventually move on out of here. It's not going to hang out with us very long. So for your Saturday and Sunday, we'll see a lot more sunshine, and our chances for storms will really go down, basically limited to the mountains of New Mexico. And then as you head back to work on your Monday, a better shot for some rain showers in central and western New Mexico. So here's a look at Super Storm Track for this afternoon. As we head into the later afternoon hours and into dinner time, most of the action will be shifting to the north and to the northeast. Some areas in eastern New Mexico could see some leftover rain showers later on tonight, but most of the action will be quieting down as we head into the overnight hours. So here's the extended forecast for Durango, Pagosa Springs, and Cortez. A chance for some afternoon storms, and then a slight chance for a few leftover storms on your Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures going from the lower 70s today back into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. Over to the Four Corners, temperatures climbing into the middle 70s in Gallup and Grants, 80 degrees in Farmington, with more afternoon showers and a few rumbles of thunder possible, but we dry things out for Saturday and Sunday. Then over to the southwest, temperatures into the middle to upper 70s in places like TRC and Deming, eventually clearing our skies out later on this evening, and we'll see more sunshine for your Saturday and Sunday, with temperatures warming back up into the low to mid 80s. Then over to Roswell and Carlsbad, as we showed you earlier, temperatures are already into the 80s and the 90s here, so it's going to be drier here in far eastern New Mexico. And then into the northeast, quiet for the most part right now, but our chances for showers will continue to go up later on this afternoon into the evening hours, with temperatures into the 60s and the 70s. And then over to the northern mountains, a chance for more rain this afternoon into the evening hours. A slight chance for a few storms this weekend, but most of the action will be quieting down after today, and temperatures warming back up into the upper 70s for the weekend in Santa Fe. And then over to the East Mountains, temperatures into the low to mid 70s, with a chance for some afternoon and evening showers. And then into the metro, we're seeing our showers continuing right now, but eventually tapering off closer to the ride home from work. And then for Saturday and Sunday, high temperatures back into the 80s and seeing a lot more sunshine.
Okay. Thank you, Chris.